If you want to disconnect from certain people in the Messages app on your iPhone, the blocking process is quick and simple. In this tutorial, we'll go through all the steps to effectively block contacts and protect your privacy. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to always be notified about new tutorials I post. So first, find the settings on your phone and open them. Once you're in settings, the next step is to scroll down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. When you're in the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list and find the Messages app. When you find it, tap on it. This will open the settings page for the Messages app. Scroll down a bit until you find the option called Blocked Contacts. Then tap on it. Now in this section you will see the option Add New, tap on it, and a list of all your contacts will appear. Find the person you want to block and select them. After that, that contact will be blocked, meaning they will not be able to send you messages or call you. The block is applied immediately and disables any communication with that person. And that's it, friends. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.